This building, the former Jaipur restaurant in MK, currently going through planning, has been refused. They want to build a 32-storey tower on the side of this one. Quite an iconic dome. I always remember driving past this. Never been in it as a restaurant though. Standing in the shadow of a Premier Inn. So just a very quick fly around it, just to show what it currently looks like. The plans are for a 33-storey residential tower. The Premier Inn behind it looks to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stories. So yeah, it's been abandoned for a while now, this restaurant. I think there was someone stabbed here after it changed hands, and don't believe it's open since. Loads of car parking here. Let's get a quick overview of this one. The site was refused planning. It's going to appeal now to see if they'll be granted on appeal, like Bangkok was. Sorry, little slip there. You can see the former restaurant. Restaurant, nightclub, Mediterranean grill, cocktail bar. Soon to be possibly a 33-storey tower. I will come up and show that against. Like I said, behind it is the Premier Inn. Will dwarf that if it is built. That's currently what the site looks like today. We'll see if this one is granted on appeal. Thanks for watching.